I guess rumors are more exciting than the truth. Poetry is nearer to vital truth than history. All credibility, all good conscience, all evidence of truth come only from the senses. Accusations fit on a bumper sticker, the truth takes longer. I am not a good liar, I just tell the truth. I think that is the best way. Social media allowed us to become our own storytellers with it. We seize the power of our truth. We swallow greedily any lie that flatters us, but we sip only little by little at a truth we find bitter. If you do not tell the truth about yourself, you cannot tell it about other people. This passionate objectivity is itself a passion for the real and for the truth. A rusty nail placed near a faithful compass will sway it from the truth and rid the aggressor. I think that all things in their way reflect heavenly truth, the imagination not least. In the time of universal deceit, telling the truth is a revolutionary act. Wisdom is found only in truth.